Two giants in mobile innovation, one from California, one from China. Which one really delivers? On the left, the AI-powered, titanium-built Apple iPhone 16 Pro. And on the right, the photography flagship Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Let's skip the hype and get to what really matters. We'll score them across key categories, and at the end, you'll know who comes out on top. The winner this year might surprise you.
Okay, here's the mind map. These are our battlegrounds. Price, performance, camera, battery and charging, design and build, ecosystem and software, display, plus security and privacy. So, if you care about basically anything in a phone, one of these categories is going to be super relevant for you.
Let's kick it off with price. So, iPhone 16 Pro. Yeah, solid resale value, and you get that AppleCare Plus safety net. But honestly, you'll be shelling out about 20% more upfront almost everywhere. On the flip side, Xiaomi 15 Ultra, way more competitive on flagship pricing. The storage upgrades are actually affordable, which is kind of rare at this level. The trade-off, when you go to resell, it's not holding value quite like an iPhone would. Still, for bang for buck, Xiaomi walks away with the win here.
All right, on to performance. The iPhone 16 Pro comes swinging. Apple's A18 Pro chip is just wild. Like, fastest CPU and GPU out there. Plus, big league AI features thanks to Apple Intelligence. Oh, and cooling improvements mean it doesn't throttle when pushed. Except, yeah, no micro SD expansion. Which, for some, is kinda a letdown. Then there's the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Packing Snapdragon's latest, tons of RAM, flagship storage, the numbers are big, and daily use is smooth. But if we're being picky, on those marathon AI or CPU tasks, it slips a little behind Apple's beast. So, performance crown, that's staying with iPhone. Now, camera. iPhone 16 Pro's rocking a 48 megapixel triple setup, killer image processing, and that ProRAW option. Plus, the sensor size got a nice bump, so low light is, honestly, way better than before. But zoom hardware, it's good, just not as versatile as what you get on the Xiaomi. Speaking of which, Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a camera monster. You've got a 50 megapixel 1-inch main sensor, quad cam including a proper 5x periscope telephoto, fancy dedicated modes, and Leica optics. If anything, it can be a little aggressive with processing, but for photographers and night shooters, Xiaomi's out front. So, yeah, Xiaomi steals this category. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the iPhone 16 Pro's A18 Pro chip can handle 35 trillion AI operations every second? That's wild. Seriously, wrap your head around that for a second. Let's chat battery and charging. So, with the iPhone, you know you'll get optimized battery health, all-day usage, and it's tuned for longevity. But I gotta be real, the charging speeds are kinda wired and wireless, both. Now, Xiaomi throws down with super fast charging. 90 watts wired, 50 watts wireless. The battery's bigger too, and you're looking at 80% juice in like 25 minutes. Only hitch, when you use that crazy fast charging, things can get a bit warm. Still, speed thrills, and Xiaomi takes it for battery and charging. Design and build. This is always fun to debate. iPhone 16 Pro goes all in on titanium, ceramic shield glass, and those razor-thin bezels. The fit and finish? It's peak Apple. Seriously premium. The only thing is, some folks say it plays a little too safe with the looks. Xiaomi 15 Ultra? It's rocking premium metal, Gorilla Glass Victus for toughness, and this distinctive camera design that's pretty bold, honestly. But it is heavier, and yeah, that big camera bump adds bulk. So, style and build quality? iPhone answers with that classic, refined edge and takes the win. All right, ecosystem and software. Apple's like, come into our garden. iOS 18 is buttery smooth. Plus, the new Apple Intelligence AI, and literally seamless integration with Macs, iPads, watches, the whole deal. Updates are timely for way longer than most brands. Downside? You're locked inside the Apple walled garden. Xiaomi 15 Ultra gives you HyperOS, built on Android 14, Google App integration, basically all the custom options Android fans crave. But updates just aren't as snappy. And if you have tablets or laptops from Xiaomi, well, it's not quite as magical as Apple's ecosystem. So, for that all-connected magic, iPhone 16 Pro wins this one. Let's talk display, and honestly, both score big here. It's a draw. iPhone 16 Pro rocks a 6.3-inch OLED, ProMotion 120Hz, and 2000 nits.
The color, the always-on feature, it's crisp. Then, you've got Xiaomi. It's bigger, 6.73-inch LTPO OLED, also 120 Hz. Crazy peak brightness, Dolby Vision, and a mind-boggling number of colors. Maybe the only catch. Keep that brightness maxed, your battery will notice. But picture quality and smoothness? Tie game. Last category, security and privacy. With iPhone, you've got Face ID, which is super secure, plus Apple's new privacy features and on-device AI. There's no underscreen fingerprint, but the software side is just, trust me, it's top tier. Xiaomi, you actually get both under-display fingerprint and face unlock, plus a security chip. But the privacy software, not quite as locked down as Apple. So in this category, Apple takes the win again. If you plot these scores on a radar chart, yeah, visually, you'll see iPhone 16 Pro dominates on performance, build, ecosystem, and security, while Xiaomi 15 Ultra leans into value, rapid charging, and that next-level camera game. So overall, if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, love slick AI and privacy, and want straight-up premium everything, iPhone 16 Pro is pretty much built for you. If you're all about photography, want a crazy amount of features for less cash, or you just prefer ultimate hardware flexibility, Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a powerhouse. Personally, both are awesome, but the winner this time is the iPhone 16 Pro. It edges out in most categories, but Xiaomi makes it a close race. Want more side-by-side teardowns? Follow for the next big flagship face-off, and let me know in the comments which phone you'd actually snap.